Welcome to Education Law, Policy, and Governance. In this course, we'll be exploring the legal and the policy frameworks that govern our educational system, from federal and state laws to local school board policies. We'll be discussing the roles and responsibilities of educators and administrators in the educational system. What's the relationship between law, policy, and governance? Generally, laws establish the legal frameworks within which schools and districts must operate, while policies provide the specific rules and guidelines that govern the actions of individuals within a school or district. Policies are often created by local school boards, state education agencies, or federal agencies in order to implement the requirements of laws and regulations. Governance, on the other hand, refers to the larger systems and structures that enable stakeholders to work together to manage and make decisions about the school or district as a whole. Governance structure, such as school boards, superintendents, and principals, are responsible for implementing these policies and ensuring that they align with the legal framework established by laws and regulations. Governance structure also provides a mechanism for stakeholders to collaborate and make decisions about the direction and priorities of the school or district. To better understand the relationship between policy and governance, consider this analogy. Policy is like the leaves and branches of a tree, providing structure and direction for individual actions and decisions within a school or district. Governance, on the other hand, is like the forest in which the tree exists, encompassing the larger system and structures that enable stakeholders to work together to manage and make decisions about the school or district as a whole. Laws, policies, and governance are all interconnected and can influence one another. For example, a change in federal law may require schools to implement new policies, which in turn may require changes to governance structures in order to ensure effective implementation. Likewise, changes in governance structures may require changes in policies in order to align with the new decision-making processes. Throughout this course, we'll explore the complicated relationship of school law, policy, and governance in depth, along with the historical and contemporary perspectives on education policy, the legal and policy frameworks that govern our schools, and the roles and responsibilities of educators and educational administrators. I encourage you to take an active role in your learning throughout this course. Engage with your classmates, participate in discussions, attend school board meetings, and don't hesitate to ask questions if you're unsure about a concept or idea. By doing so, you not only deepen your understanding of the material, but also contribute to a richer and more diverse learning experience for yourself and others. This is an exciting and dynamic field, and I hope that this course will provide you with a solid foundation for you as educators and educational administrators, leaders, and decision makers. So let's get started. I look forward to working with you over the coming weeks and can't wait to see what insights and perspectives you'll bring to our discussions.